Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make slides in Adobe XD. First, open Adobe XD and create a new project. You'll want to set up your artboards, which are essentially your individual slides. A good starting point for desktop presentations is an artboard size of 1440 by 900 pixels. You can easily duplicate these artboards to ensure a consistent foundation for each slide, saving you time and effort. Now it's time to bring your slides to life with content. Drag and drop images, add text boxes, and create shapes to convey your message. For elements you'll use repeatedly, like navigation buttons or logos, create them as components. This ensures consistency across all your slides and allows for quick global updates. Remember to keep your design clean and visually appealing. With your designs in place, let's add some magic. Head over to prototype mode to connect your artboards. You can link elements to trigger transitions between slides. Experiment with various transition types, such as slide or push, and adjust their duration for a polished feel. For more advanced effects, Auto-Animate can create stunning, fluid movements between objects with the same name on different artboards. Finally, it's time to showcase your work. Use the desktop preview to test your interactive presentation and ensure everything flows perfectly. When you're ready to share, generate a web link directly from Adobe XD. This allows others to view and comment on your prototype in their browser. You can also export your entire presentation as a PDF or individual image files for offline use or different platforms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.